Gospel Lukas dan nom bakarar kada kot kan lai hadu arpuway ka farsi urus pa ubabij.
Someone in the crowd said to him, "Teacher, tell my brother to divide the inheritance with me." Jesus replied, "Man, who appointed me a judge or an arbiter between you?" Then he said to them, "Watch out. Be on your guard against all kinds of greed. Life does not consist in an abundance of possessions." And he told them this parable. The ground of a certain rich man yielded an abundant harvest. He thought to himself, "What shall I do? I have no place to store my crops." Then he said, "This is what I'll do. I will tear down my barns and build bigger ones, and there I will store my surplus grain. And I'll say to myself, you have plenty of grain laid up for many years. Take life easy, eat, drink, and be merry." But God said to him, "You fool, this very night your life will be demanded from you. Then who will get what you have prepared for yourself? This is how it will be with whoever stores up things for themselves but is not rich toward God."
Duryap bat puson. Kanu kada kot, kanu ka kentin, ne ka benta na ka ne ka gospel, ka basyo jeng mut, bat kata ya ka mensin. Puson, rikendong ya ka, bat em sengi ya ka. Boleh biang Lukas lenong bakat ar dakot kat lai hadu ar poway. Uway na upay ba ulaong hau. Konong hikai. Doong se hau men jonga banya benta bat nga ya gatiyo pateng. Uji surah jawab yu. Korang ba mano bra aibor yang aban bisar ne ban pensam ya kaspa kahajar habdeng jopi armut. Nang tau lakran penbut su aki barok. Tokiar na kijat jeng kwan lanot baro. Namar ka jeng imba sisa jang ubriu kamday sutia ha ka jeng pahu hai ka ba udon. Nang tau disu laya tu aki kane ka farsi. Huway urus pa uladon ka kandaw ka basa iso sibun. Uras dang ban perkat halade ngam dan jaka bandum ya uso aja ngabaro. Tengan dek kum no. Ande dakum ni hula perkat ngan peprai ki tiar ki bangadon bat ngante daki bakame bangan buang ta ya ukeu jo ngabaro badik wipat ki markat badon natangan ong alade ko riudon bok medon dun paro kat badon bun snem tole sahu tobam to di tole sobhai dade reu bleu ong au ko bit menta kame di menap ino ya la ka jeng im de mano banyo yakine ki ba pilakin seu ya lade kumta kandong yakito ki ba kacau spa ya lade em ha ublei ka kubor babau turai